How to reset or recover your account for EA when you've forgotten your password while logging in. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you've forgotten your EA account's password, you can easily recover it by following these steps, so let's get started. First of all, launch open your EA application on your device. Once you do that, in the sign-in page, you need to enter your email or EA ID. If you've forgotten your credentials, simply click on Forgot Your Password at the bottom. On the next page, write down your email address or your EA ID in the text box that is associated with your account. And once you do, click on Next. You can also use phone number instead if you've added phone number. Now on the next page, you need to click on the Send Code button and you'll receive a verification code sent to your provided email inbox. Go open up your email service provider's inbox and then you'll receive an email from EA. Enter the security code that you received via email and then click on Next. Now on the next page, enter your new password you want to reset to. While typing in a password, make sure to match the criteria given below. Finally, click Submit. Soon after you do that, your password will be changed. Now click on Sign In. Enter your email and click Next. Now in the password field, enter the new password that you just changed to and click Sign In. And there you have successfully logged in and gotten access back to your EA Games account. So that's how you easily recover your account even if you've forgotten your password for EA Games. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.